Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Today I'll show you ViserShop e-commerce shopping platform. This is our admin panel. You can see dashboard, total user, active user, email unverified user, mobile unverified user, total payment, payment charge, pending payment, reject payment, then total product, product category, total brand, pending order, processing order, total delivery order, total cancel order, total ticket, payment report, transaction report, then logging by browser, logging by OS, logging by country 13 days. Another option is manage order, all order, printing order, processing order, delivery order, cancel order, code order, manage product, then add product, edit and delete and change status, then manage brand, same pattern, manage category, same you can add, edit, delete. Then manage user, active user, brand user, email unverified user, mobile unverified user, all user, send notification, then payment, pending payment, approved payment, successful payment, reject payment, all payment, then support ticket, pending ticket, close ticket, answer ticket, all ticket, then report, transaction report, logging history, notification history, then system settings. You can customize general settings, logo, system configure, notification, payment gateway, SEO, the manage page, language, extension, privacy policy, custom CSS, so many options. Then extra application, server, catch, update, report and request, then profile and change password. You can customize your profile. If you want this, check out link in the description below. Thank you.